Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up your HP OfficeJet Pro 9135E all-in-one printer step by step for the first time. So let's get started. Step 1. First, remove the printer from the box carefully. Now, remove all protective tape, all stickers, all packing materials from outside the printer. Next, lift the scanner lid and remove the protective foam from the scanner glass. Close the scanner lid again. Also, make sure there is no packaging material left inside the printer. This step is important to avoid setup problems later. Step 2. Now, connect the power cord to the back of the printer. Plug the other end into a wall power outlet. Press the power button if the printer does not turn on automatically. Once the printer starts, select your preferred language on the touchscreen. Then select your country or region and tap Confirm. Important note: do not connect a USB cable at this stage. The connection will be completed later during software installation. Step 3. Next, open the input paper tray. Remove any packing material inside the tray. Slide the paper width guides outward. Insert plain white paper into the tray with print side facing down, short edge forward. Now, adjust the paper width guides so they touch the edges of the paper. Close the tray properly. Then pull out the output tray extender. Your paper is now loaded correctly. Step 4. Now open the front door of the printer. Next, open the ink cartridge access door. Wait until the cartridge carriage moves to the center. Remove the ink cartridges from their packaging. Carefully remove the protective film from each cartridge. Hold the cartridges only from the sides. Insert each cartridge into its matching slot. Push gently until it clicks into place. Now, close the ink cartridge access door. Then, close the front door. Wait while the printer initializes the cartridges. When the screen displays OK, tap OK to continue. After installing the cartridges, the printer prints an alignment page automatically. Tap OK when prompted on the screen. Once the alignment page prints, place the printed alignment page face down on the scanner glass. Align it according to the corner markings. Close the scanner lid. Tap Scan on the control panel. The printer will scan the page and complete alignment. When alignment is successful, a confirmation message appears on the display. Step 6. Now your hardware setup is complete. Next, install the printer software. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Go to 123.hp.com. Download and install the latest HP printer software. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your printer to Wi-Fi and finish setup. Once completed, your printer is ready to print, scan, and copy. And now, final check. Print a test page. To confirm everything is working correctly, open the HP Smart app. Select your printer, tap Print Documents or Print Photos, and print a test page. If the page prints successfully, your setup is complete. And that's it! Your HP OfficeJet Pro 9135E all-in-one printer is now fully set up and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more printer setup tutorials. If you need any help with setup, Wi-Fi connection, driver installation, or troubleshooting support, you can contact our printer support team anytime. Our experts are ready to assist you. Thanks for watching.